Okay, we are going to start with IELTS speaking part 1 and I'm going to ask you some questions about picnic.
Sure, sir.
Right? My first question is, did you go on a picnic when you were a child?
Yes, of course. When I was a child, I used to go for picnic with my parents, and we used to go.
Speak louder, please.
We used to go for picnic at riversides and other northern areas.
Okay, so don't think too much, just try to focus your answer. Fluency is one of the components, right? Let's go
Okay.
on. How often do you go on picnic now?
Well, in nowadays, due to pandemic situation, we do not.
I do not go on
I do
picnic
not go for picnic
regularly.
regularly, but in the past we.
Okay, listen, how often do you go on picnic now? To be very honest, due to pandemic situation, I don't go on picnic because I prefer staying home. But sometimes if I even get a chance, then I think once a year I go out. Otherwise, I prefer to stay home.
Okay.
That's it, simple. Please be quiet. You'll come in the camera. Where do you go on a picnic?
I am from Sargodha, and which is a hot city of Punjab. So I prefer to go for picnic in northern area
To northern areas because
because the weather is very fine in the summer season. So I.
okay,
go
now see, you are lacking explanation. We call it development of idea. Same thing. Where do you go on picnic? As I belong to Sargodha, which is the heart of Punjab, therefore, whenever I get a chance to go for picnic, I prefer somewhere in the north, especially the northern areas, because the northern areas of my country are really mesmerizing. Therefore, I prefer going to north.
Okay.
That's it. Okay. See, I'm using your ideas. Let's go on. What is the difference between a picnic and cooking at home?
Well, the biggest difference between the cooking at home and cooking at
Picnic.
picnic is the environment, and that is the most important.
Okay, now see, this answer should have some more. What is the difference between picnic and cooking at home? Well, the basic difference is environment. In other words, you can call it atmosphere. When you go on picnic, you see lush green trees, you sit on the grass, you cook in the open air. Whereas when you cook at home, it's all indoor activity. So I think the main difference is picnic is outdoor and cooking at home is indoor. Something like that. Okay, so just change your ideas and try to speak more. You just try to speak 1 to 2 sentences and you get rid of that. At least 4 to 5 connected ideas. Connected means compound sentences.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Yes. Thank you.